खोल लूंगा तो यहाँ ऊपर खोलना नहीं जाता। हाँ, 3 होते हैं सब जगह। मैं
Yeah, so 15 students have joined the meeting. After a few seconds, I will be locking the meeting, then you will not be able to rejoin the meeting. If you are suppose left the meeting, you will not be able to rejoin it. So please don't leave the meeting in between. And the ones who are coming late, they will also not be able to join. And please keep your mics off during the meeting. And one more thing, you can unmute yourself only when I ask you questions. Okay. So have we all completed fractions? What were we doing in fractions yesterday?
So yesterday was not a period, but before we were doing the extra questions.
You were doing the extra questions. What was the last question that we did yesterday?
Sir, you have given the 2 extra question that you have said that is homework.
I gave in homework. Okay. Tell me the questions.
So the questions are 21 upon 196 and 65 upon 91.
Beta, please tell me again.
You have to
Tell me again the questions.
the 65 upon 91 and 20 and 21 upon 106.
So,
Sir, today we will do the extra questions.
I will tell you it. Beta, please tell me what we have to do in that question.
Sir, take out lowest term.
Convert the fraction in lowest term.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your fraction. You have to convert this fraction in lowest term.
Okay, sir.
You can do this. HCF of 65 and 91 is 13. You want me to show the HCF? Keep your mics off. Bharat, बेटा
Yes, sir.
मीटिंग से निकाल के ऑफ कर दूं मीटिंग लॉक कर दूं
Sir, क्या?
मीटिंग से आपको निकाल के मैं मीटिंग को लॉक कर दूं देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू
Sir, why?
बेटा यू आर मेकिंग नॉइज एक तो माइक ऑन है तुम्हारा ऊपर से शोर मचा रहे हो डोंट डू इट ओके भरत 5 upon 91 की HCF of 65 and 91 is 30. So you will divide both the numerator and denominator by 13. 65 divided by 13 is 5 and 91 divided by 13 is 7. So 5 upon 7 is your answer. Okay. Any other part was there? Any other question was there?
9417.
Okay, so we are starting with the next chapter today. Decimals. Next chapter is decimals. This is your chapter number 9. Decimal. So tell me what you already know about decimals.
Sir, decimal is a point.
Decimal is a point, okay. And yes,
Sir, today we are going to do a new chapter.
yes, beta, we are starting with decimals.
Okay, sir.
Decimals is the chapter.
Decimal.
So this is your chapter decimals. I'm asking you all that what do you already know about decimals?
Sir, we know about decimals in fourth class. Sir, we have learned, sir, that how to do addition, subtraction in it and convert into a whole number. But sir, the need is to revise.
Okay. Okay, Bharat, very good. You have learned how to add and subtract decimals. Good.
And sir, also convert into a whole number. Sir, it was the exercise like something this only.
Okay. Convert a decimal in a whole number. ये नहीं होगा बेटा. You cannot convert a decimal into a whole number. Okay. You can convert a
Sir,
decimal
कुछ
into a fraction, but you cannot convert a decimal number in a whole number. And you must have studied how to compare two decimal numbers, which decimal number is greater, which is smaller. This you all must have done in your class 3 and 4 both. Yeah. So let us start with the exercise. Sir, do you all know what the place value chart of decimals? Place value chart of decimals, do you all know? Suppose I write a number like this here on the board. 547.238. Now, can you tell me the place value chart of this one? What is, can you tell me which digit is at the ones place in this?
Sir, can I tell?
Which digit is at the ones place in this case, in this number? This is the
Sir,
decimal.
can I tell?
Yes, beta, you can answer.
Sir, the extreme right of the place value is tens and the second extreme right is the place value of hundreds and the 2 is thousands. And here is ones, tens and hundreds.
Okay, so can you tell me in this number which digit is at the ones place?
Sir, in this there is no ones place. It starts from tens, I think.
Sir, I can tell.
Yes, beta, try.
Sir, 7.
7 is at the ones place. Very good. So I'm writing the number. I'm making the place value chart of the number. Hundreds place. And tens place. Then ones place. तो सबसे पहले तो ones place पर there is the digit at ones place is 7. Digit at tens place is 4. The digit at hundreds place is 5. 5 is at the hundreds place, 4 is at the tens place, and 7 is at the ones place. Got it? Now what about these? The digits which are coming after decimal. This is your decimal.
Sir, can I tell?
Point लगा देते हैं तो this is known as
Can I?
decimal. So can you tell me? Yes, anyone?
Can I?
Yes, yes.
Sir,
Ashfa,
the
please answer. Ashfa?
Sir, 2 is on tens place, 3 is on hundreds place, and 8 is on thousands place.
Okay. I have taken your answer. I will explain. Please be very attentive when I explain this. Anyone else? Yes, Ansharya.
Sir, the 8 is at the tens place and the 3 is at the hundreds place and the 2 is at the thousands place.
In this, when we are talking in decimals, the digit that comes just after the decimal, the first digit after decimal, is known as tenth place. Tenth place means tenth place. This is tenths. Tens place and tens place. There is a difference. You can see. Here it is TEN10 and here it is TENTH. So this tens place says that the digit after just after the decimal is known as the digit at the tens place. So the answer in this case is 2. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one is hundreds. Again, last name we have to write TH. Hundreds place, which digit is there? Tell me. Which digit is at the hundreds? You can see that I have written TH.
Sir,
I can tell.
Yes, please.
3.
3 at the
Sir,
hundred.
3.
Very good. And which digit is at the thousands place?
8.
Sir,
8.
8.
So this one, what will be the spelling for this one? There is no space left on the board, so I am writing it here. This digit 8 is at the thousand. Then in the end you have to write th like this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the meaning of this?
Yes, sir.
इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? इसका मीनिंग है the meaning of tens place is 2/10. The meaning of 7 is 7 only. Meaning of 4 is 40 because it is at the tens place. You can write it as 40. Number at hundreds place is written as 5 then 2 zeros.
500.
5 and then 2 zeros. You can also write it as 5 multiplied by 100. You can also write this as 5 multiplied by 100. This one you can write as 4 multiplied by 10. Because it is at the tens place, so you can write it as 4 multiplied by 10. This one you can write it as 5 multiplied by 100 because it is at the hundreds place. But the digits which are coming after decimal, in this you will not multiply by 10, you will divide by 10. Here you will divide by 100, 3/100. So this digit is at the hundreds place, so you can write it as 3 divided by 100. Because these digits are coming after decimals, so these are equivalent to this. Then in this one, the digit which is at the hundreds place, you can write it as 8/1000. 8/1000. Clear or not?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
हाँ बेटा, yes. What doubt? What is the doubt?
Sir, clear.
Clear. Anyone? Any doubt is there?
Yes. Yes.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please ask. What is the doubt?
Sir,
पूछो बेटा. The first digit. This is something new for you. New meaning, yeah, you have already done this in class 3 and 4. This is just a revision of that. Digit that is first digit that is coming after decimal. This is known as
Yes, sir.
tens place. Okay, and it is written as 2 upon 10. Second digit after decimal. This is 3. This is known as hundredths place. Class में th लगा देते हैं सब जगह. Okay, so this can be written as 3 upon 100. Then the third digit after decimal, this is known as thousandths place. Th again. Thousand th. And this one can be written as 8 upon 1000. Okay.
sir, I had a doubt.
Yes, please ask.
Sir, like if there's one number and it has two decimals in it, so sir, how will we make this table?
How will we?
Make this table?
Achha, you
Will
want
it again be like?
it has something like this. Suppose 3.45.21 like this.
Yes, sir.
Beta, this is not a valid number. This is wrong. There is no number
Okay,
which
sir.
can have 2 decimals. This is not valid. A number can have only 1 decimal. It cannot have 2 decimals. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Ashfa?
Clear, sir.
Anything else? Any other doubt? So if I give you numbers, can you write these numbers, the place values of these numbers?
Yes, sir.
Place value chart you can make? Yes. So if I want to write a number, such as suppose I want to write this number in expanded form. This also you have done in the previous classes. Suppose another example I am giving you first. 1 to 12, 12.45. This number I want to write in expanded form. So first of all, the first digit is 1. First digit is 1. 1 is at which place? What is the place value of 1?
Sir, tens.
10.
100.
Because it is at the beta, it is at the tens place. 1 is at the tens place. So
Yes.
1 multiplied by 10. You can write it as 1 multiplied by 10. Expanded form we are writing. Plus, then you will write plus. Second digit, now second digit is 2. It is at the ones place, so you will simply write 2. Then let us come to the digits which are after decimal. Plus 4 is at which place? What is the place value of 4? According to the place value chart, 4 is at which place?
Tens.
It is
Sir,
at the
tens is at place.
So how we
Tens place.
write 4 upon 100? What is the 4 upon 10? Sorry. What is the place value of 4? It is 4 upon 10.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Then 5. How to write the next one?
Sir, 5 will be
5 upon
5
100.
upon 100.
100's place. Okay, one more example. This was the first one. Second example. Now you all try. You have to write it in expanded form. This you don't have to do in your copies. This is just to explain you. 347.8 829. 829. 347.829. Write the number in expanded form like this.
Okay, sir.
How can you do this?
Sir,
Anyone?
3.
Yes.
Sir,
Tell me the answer.
sir, 3 multiplied by 100.
Hmm.
Then 4 multiplied by 10.
Plus.
And 7.
You will have to write plus. 3
Okay, sir.
multiplied by 100.
3 multiplied by 100.
Don't
Plus.
forget this plus.
4
Plus.
Multiplied by 10
Four.
plus
Plus
Into
7.
plus 7
Plus
plus
8. 8 upon 10.
very good.
plus 8 upon 10. Sir, plus 2 upon 100.
100.
100, very good.
And sir, plus 9 upon 1000.
Upon 1000.
Very good. 9 upon 1000. This is your answer in expanded form. Now you all have understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
200, 3 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 7. Then after decimal, you will not multiply, you will divide. 8 divided by 10 plus 2 divided by 100 plus 9 divided by 1000. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. So now you have to make the place value chart of the numbers which are given in exercise 9.1. The first one.
Sir, now we have to do this in copy.
Yes, beta, you have to do this in your copies. Exercise 9.1. So the first number in this is question A, first part. Question number A, first part. 23.65. Now 6 is also underlined. Now what do you have to do in this question? Make a place value chart and write these numbers. Write the place value of the underlined digit in each. You have to make a place value chart for this number, and also write the place value of the number of the digit which is underlined. Okay, so I am telling you the first one how to do it. Rest of the parts you are going to try yourself. Okay. So first of all, place value chart. Do it in your copies. Telling you how to do. Place value chart. So 2 is at the tens place. Tens place, then ones place, then tenths place, then finally hundredths place. So digits which are coming after decimal, in those you will write 10 and then th, 100 and then th. Okay. So digit at the tens place is 2, ones place is 3, tens place is 6, and finally the digit at the hundredths place is 5. So this is what you have to do. This is your place value chart. Now what is the place value of 6? You have to place
The
value
tenth.
of 6 is equal to 6 upon 10. This is the place value of 6. Understood, all of you? The place value of 6 is 6 upon 10. So when I am explaining the question, your concentration should be on understanding how to do the question. Your concentration should be on that. I will give you time to note down. You all must not be noting down when I am explaining. You can note down later after I have finished explaining. So this is what you have to do. Have you all understood? First of all, tell me. First, you find the place value of the number which is given, and then find the place value of the digit which is underlined. First, make the place value chart. This is your place value chart. Then find the place value of the digit which is underlined. Two things you have to do.
Okay, sir.
Can you do all the parts now?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes, sir.
Doing it.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, my networks are coming low, sir. So what you are saying is not clear.
But you can, if this is the problem, you can watch the video later. Download the
Okay,
video.
sir.
When you sending the video, you can watch it.
Sir, please, sir, what is the next question?
The book is there. You don't have the book.
Yes, sir.
हाँ तो book में देखो. You have to do all the parts
Okay,
of
sir.
question.
Good job, Zari.
Done the questions?
Sir, I have
No,
done.
sir.
Sir, I have done 3 questions.
Okay, do fast.
Okay, sir. Tenth, one, 10th.
Now, have you all done? Is that too much time you all have taken?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
My task is left.
Yeah, do jaldi.
10, 1, 10th, 100, 1000.
Meeting is about to end. You are still doing the first question.
Sir, I have done.
Sir, I have also done.
Okay.
Sir, I have done.
Okay, I'm asking you some questions. In question number 2, tell me what is the
Okay.
place value of 1?
Sir, it is 1 upon 1000.